What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the Oneplus Pad specifications have finally been revealed and what you can expect for these tablet pricing also. Now before getting into this video, if you are new here then do please consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. So the very first thing to talk about this tablet is definitely going to be about its massive size, as it's going to be coming with a 11.6 inch of a 2.8K LCD panel, which will be also be coming with a 144 Hz of high refresh rate. Now not only that's enough for the display, but it will also be coming with the HDR10 plus content support and support for the Dolby Vision. Now there is a Dolby Vision, so you will also be getting a quad speakers setup with this tablet to get the maximum best sound quality experience for content viewing. And also the processor of this tablet is going to be a huge good experience for everyone, as you will be getting not a mid-range processor but a flagship processor, which is the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC. Now it's a flagship processor from the MediaTek. Again, this is going to be seen on the tablet for the very first time. Now talking about the cameras, then on the back you will be getting a 13 megapixel of a rear camera, and you will also be getting a front LED flash, and on the front you will be getting a horizontally placed 8 megapixel of a camera. Now that's also a decent one, with you all be getting a tracking support and everything with this camera, and the front with the AI detection. Now this kind of a good display and overall the good processor also requires a good battery life. So you will also be getting a 9500 milliamp battery with this tablet, and good battery, so also the charging speeds also matters. So you will also be getting a 67 watts of fast charging, or the OnePlus's warp charge support in this tablet, and you can also will be getting a charger inside the box. But what's also be coming with this tablet support, but you will not be getting inside the box, is the stylus support. Yes, the Oneplus Pad will be supporting stylus, but you won't be getting a stylus in box only. You have to purchase it externally separately as an accessory alongside with its OnePlus keyboard also. Now if you like this video, then do please consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now talking about the pricing, then the pricing of this tablet is expected to be around 40 to 50,000 rupees in India, and it's yet to be seen how good the OnePlus can manage to price out this tablet. If you like this video, do hit that like button. If you don't, then dislike, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.